Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to the quaint community of Port Royal, nestled in Norfolk County, Ontario, Canada. This small area offers a glimpse into the serene rural life of southwestern Ontario. Port Royal is situated near the scenic Big Creek, a waterway that meanders through Norfolk County. This proximity to Big Creek provides opportunities for paddling and enjoying the natural beauty of the area. The community is home to the Port Royal Cemetery, a historical site that reflects the area's rich past. While Port Royal is a small community, it is part of Norfolk County, a region known for its agricultural heritage and natural attractions. Its natural surroundings and historical sites make it a noteworthy place for those interested in exploring off-the-beaten-path communities.
Thank you very much.